To combat domestic abuse, state statutes allow abuse victims to secure emergency protective orders without notice to the alleged abusers. In State ex rel. Williams v. Marsh, the court considered whether such orders violate due process. The Missouri Adult Abuse Act allowed an adult abused by a present or former adult household member to petition a court for an ex parte protective order, meaning without notice to the alleged abuser. To obtain an order, a petitioner had to establish an immediate and present danger of abuse. The statute required a hearing within 15 days to give the respondent an opportunity to appear. A copy of the petition, ex parte orders, and notice of the hearing date had to be served on the respondent. Denise and Edward Williams were married but separated. Their child lived with Denise. After Edward assaulted Denise, she petitioned for an ex parte protective order restraining Edward from abusing her, prohibiting Edward from entering her home, and awarding her custody of their child. After a hearing, the trial court found that Denise was entitled to an ex parte order under the Act, but dismissed her petition, ruling the Act unconstitutional because it allowed Edward to be deprived of important interests without notice or a hearing. Denise petitioned the Missouri Supreme Court for mandamus, asking that the trial court be compelled to issue a protective order and appealing her petition's dismissal.